What's up, guys? So, got a trauma med kit from Amazon. I think it's the greatest trauma kit that I've ever owned, and because of the price and the products. So, anyways, comes in a MOLLE pouch with MOLLE attachments to attach it to a backpack from the outside, and it's got a loop on the outside and a removable back and a carry, and then it opens with a mylar thing or a velcro thing, whatever. Anyways, I added a few things, like originally it doesn't come with the stuff outside the bag, and I added band-aids, an alcohol wipe, and a CPR mask, and also some extra gauges, a syringe for cleaning ears, an extra hemorrhaging Israeli wound kit, camo tape, because camo tape's multiple uses and it can be reused, so it can replace the bandages and be reused. And I also added some plastic vials for pills, for painkillers, diarrhea pills, and so on and so forth. And I actually added a couple of Israeli wound packets to it. One's packaging has almost come undone because I've had it in a hiking pack for years. But I also added a tube of tablets, 4 tubes, so lots of tablets. Also has really heavy duty scissors. Also comes with a tourniquet. And a splint thing for broken limbs and broken arms and stuff, which is pretty great. And a massive trauma bandage. And also it's got a lot of alcohol pads, some gauge bandages, and I added another CPR mask. Thanks for watching, guys.